So today we have some Jett Sett, which is a wonderful little product that most people don't know exists. In the old way of using shellac for holding and gripping stones and jewelry for setting and knives for engraving and so on. It was quite a messy way of doing things in terms of needing to have a heat and a flame to heat up the shellac. Now with Jett Sett, all you need is hot water. So what I'm going to be doing is pouring some hot water into this jar, straight from the kettle, or you could cheat and put it in the microwave. The granules come when they're brand new like this. You can pour them in like that, and you will see that they start going completely see-through as they heat up. So the various different uses for Jett Sett is either for putting over pliers' jaws so that they don't mar or scratch or break and damage the item that you are trying to hold or bend. You can also use it for creating handles on your big hand files and your needle files so that you've got a nice grip and it's comfortable to hold, or for putting into ball vices or ring clamps for being able to hold your ring. So for example, I'm going to be putting Jett Sett on the ring clamp, and then I'm going to be putting the ring into the ring clamp, and then it holds it perfectly to be able to do any setting. The Jett Sett is now completely clear. It's like magic, and it is literally completely malleable. As you start working it, it cools down. So either you could take a little bit and mold it around your pliers' jaws like that, or you could take a little bit and mold it around your needle file that it literally fits only your hand. So I'll let that cool down, and as it starts cooling down, it goes completely white again. And I'm going to use one of these for in the ring clamp. It's completely reusable, and it grips it really nicely, supports the ring beautifully underneath, so it's nice and supportive and secure. Once you are finished with it, so once it's hardened, I'm finished doing my setting and my beadwork, and if I want to do millgrain or something like that, and it's completely hardened, you just dip it straight back into the hot water and then it becomes loose again. This parallel plier has now been formed perfectly for the one jaw to meet up with the other. If I'm, let's say, for example, bending shepherd hooks or jump rings, it's not going to actually damage the item that I am holding because of the Jett Sett covering the mouth. This specifically, I've only done one side of the mouth. You can do both sides, and you can even shape it to a D shape or a half round if you're wanting to bend your shepherd hooks and make sure that there's consistency in them all looking the same, and then you almost create a little mold. For here now, I am finished doing my setting. You can see all the stones are beautifully set and everything is in place. And now I need to get it out. So I'm going to dip it back into the hot water, and it will go from white to see-through, and then it will come completely loose. Okay, that out the way. I'm just going to dip this, and you can see how easily it comes out. Nothing is stuck on it. No mess, but with shellac it does become incredibly messy, and that's why the new technology is on our shelves at Cape Tools. So now this is molded perfectly to my hand to be able to file very easily without losing grip or the hand getting a little bit tired because the file handle is actually so small. So it just creates really nice, comfortable grip for accurate filing. The Jett Sett bags come in 250 grams. And completely reusable, should last you your whole lifetime, and very versatile. So come by at Cape Tools.